Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a new workspace on Trello. So, all you have to do is head over to Trello.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. So, once you're logged into your account, just click on your profile icon found at the right corner of your screen, then click on it. Then, from here, you should be able to see Create Workspace. Just click on it. And from here, you can start customizing the workspace you're planning to create, starting with the workspace name and choose the workspace type. You can choose from variety of options, education, small business, and a lot more. You can also choose other, and you can add in workspace description, but this is optional. Then once done, just head over and click on continue. And from here, you can also start inviting your team just by adding their email address, but you can also do this later. And in the left panel, under the workspace section, you can switch between your workspaces. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!